Welcome to Make Money While You Sleep, unleash the power of dividend investing. Are you ready to take your investing journey to the next level? In this video, we will guide you through the world of dividend investing, showing you how to generate passive income and secure your financial future. Let's dive in. Section 1, Understanding Dividend Investing. In this section, we will lay the foundation for understanding dividend investing. We'll explain what dividends are and why they matter to investors. Dividends are a portion of a company's profits distributed to shareholders as cash payments. They're like a bonus for owning shares of a company. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can enjoy a regular income stream and even participate in the growth of the company. Section 2, The Benefits of Dividend Investing. In this section, we'll explore the incredible benefits of dividend investing. One of the most significant advantages is the ability to earn passive income. While traditional investors rely on buying and selling stocks for profit, dividend investors receive regular payments without having to lift a finger. Moreover, dividend investing is an excellent strategy for long-term wealth accumulation. By reinvesting your dividends, you can harness the power of compounding and watch your investments grow exponentially over time. Section 3, Building Your Dividend Portfolio. Now that you understand the basics and benefits of dividend investing, it's time to explore how to build your dividend portfolio. We'll discuss key factors to consider when selecting dividend stocks, such as the company's stability, historical dividend growth, and payout ratios. Additionally, we'll touch upon diversification and how it helps mitigate risks. Remember, a well-balanced dividend portfolio can be the cornerstone of your financial success. Section 4, Strategies for Dividend Investing. In this section, we'll delve into various strategies to enhance your dividend investing journey. We'll cover topics like dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, dividend aristocrats, and the importance of dividend yield. You'll learn how to identify stable dividend-paying companies and maximize your returns by choosing the right investment approach. Section 5, Achieving Financial Freedom. Finally, we reach the ultimate objective of dividend investing, achieving financial freedom. By consistently reinvesting your dividends, you'll witness the power of compounding, which can significantly accelerate your wealth accumulation. We'll discuss how dividend income can supplement your regular income, give you more financial flexibility, and ultimately allow you to reach your goals without being tied down by a traditional job. Congratulations! You've completed our journey into the world of dividend investing. Armed with this knowledge, you can now embrace the power of passive income, long-term wealth, and financial freedom. Remember, investing in dividend-paying stocks provides an opportunity to make money while you sleep. So start your dividend investing journey today and secure a prosperous future for yourself. Until next time.